Welcome to the fashion application of y equals mx plus b. This is going to be the production example for fashion and the linear equation. So production of polyester socks is 58 individual socks per hour. If the sock factories are if the sock factory hours are 8 to 5 and they already have 206 socks in storage, how many total socks will you have in your inventory after one workday? I didn't realize how many S's were in that question. So let's first put y equals mx plus b on the board, right? Y equals mx plus b. And as in all word problems, you want to identify which of these numbers is going to take place of these letters. So this is a good time to pause it and try to see if you can figure it out for yourself. So the first one we see here is 58 socks per hour. Okay, 58 socks per hour. Our key term here, all right, what's giving it away is that per, right? So that's going to be a rate. That's going to be our slope. That's going to be m, okay? That's always going to be a dead giveaway whenever you see something in the lines of per or some form of a rate. If the sock factory hours are 8 to 5, okay, so this is going to be like our input, right? Our number of hours. It's just not as definitive. It's not as clear cut. So 8 to 12, right? So that's going to be 4 plus 5. So this is a total of 9 hours, right? So that's what we'll say this is. And that's going to be our X value. That's our input. That's how much we're going to be putting into our production. And they already have 206 socks in storage. Say that 5 times fast. All right, 206 socks already in storage. So then you wonder, okay, so what is that going to take the place of, Y or B? And in this case, anytime you see that there's an initial amount, or they say that there's a starting price, or something along those lines where something's already present, that's typically going to be your y-intercept, our B term in our equation, right? So then what we're left with is solving for Y here, all right, which is going to be the total garments produced, or how many total socks will you have in your inventory after one workday. All right, so go ahead and pause the video again if you feel stuck or if you have any questions, and take time also to rewrite this equation with the values properly in place. So y we're still solving for, right? M turns out to be 58, right? X is going to be 9, and B is going to be 206. All right, so then we are going to put it out our calculator here, and we're going to figure out our first term here. 58 times 9 equals 522 plus 206. This is all what y equals. So then for y is going to equal these two values added together, and that's clear. 522 plus 206, 728. So you're going to have a total of 728 individual socks, or that divided by 2 is going to give you how many pairs, but that's not what the question is asking, but 364 pairs.